Hi there, my name is Mark, computer science student here in Taiwan. Welcome back to my channel where we learn more about technology while supercharge your productivity. So today we'll be talking about how you could create your own personal website and set up your own react.js development environment. So if you wanted to build a personal website, you need a front-end interface. And these days, most people use React library or React framework to build their own personal website. The reason why we're using React is very simple to use and simply just a library or function that will help you to build your front-end interface in your website as well. So today we'll be talking about how I personally set up my own development environments with React. So first of all, we will be talking about going to the destination directory, which is the location where on your computer that will place your project. And first of all, we need to install a function called npm, which is Node Package Manager. Once it's installed, so we're going to check that npm version. We're going to check the version to see if that's properly installed. Wait a while. 8.4.1, so it's properly installed. And now we can install a function or a command line interface called npx. It's a software that can help you to execute this list command to set out your own development environment, like create a React app or create a Nest app, and so forth. So install npm install ng, which means that will install the software globally to help to allow all the user on this computer to run the software. Install globally and npx. Because so we want to see if we properly installed it, and the story will respond, so just the requirement is already satisfied. Wait a while. Typically, it will take not so long for creating or installing the software with npm, or you can also use a package manager called Yarn, Y-A-R-N. It's a powerful and fast package management software for node.js and other JavaScript applications. Then install it, and it's already installed. So now we can use npx which code the command line interface called npx to execute the command called create react app, and then we can use create react to create demo YouTube demo. Now we can start to install the following package to create React app. Yes. Now install. Okay, so also YT demo, because it's not create new React application. And so once installed, we can take a look at the directory structure that the React application has, and how you can set up your own application with package.json file. So now installing the software. It probably typically takes the maximum and a minute to install the software, but if you already installed the package before on your own computer, it will be probably faster for you to install the entire package of the software, because there's a series of applications and dependencies that you need to install for creating the React application, that React DOM, React scripts, and the class template. It's now installing software. Wait a while. Let's see if I have a nest. So now they already installed the file, and then we need to go change the directory to ytdemo and type npm start, which is start the application with npm. And we can use Chrome to check. Use localhost. Yes, here we go. So here's localhost, and it's now installing software. It's now compiling software. So you can see it's a typical React template that already prescribed with your application. So now let's look at the directory structure of the entire application. So we can type ls. So here is two app main directory called source, it's RC, and public. Public is the destination HTML file generated with DOM. And so RC is basically a way to create your own application, React application. And if you wanted to set up your own application, want to configure it, there's an option called package.js to manage all the dependencies that are installed with the React application. So let's look at the package.js. So here is the message we have, you can see, and also the version number and the name of the entire project. And also there's a script that will help the command line interface to identify how to start, build, and test the entire application with this software. And now we can click. So like I said, it's our application. If you want to know more about this developer information, how you can create your own application, whether it's web application or mobile one, feel free to join us at Google Developer Student Club 8 TKU in Dankook University in Danshui. And we are the global developers, engineers who are actually passionate about technology and engineering. To learn more about this, we got a description link down below. And thank you for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe and click the notification button, and we'll see you next time.